These are the portable panels that we're building. Each of these is a portable panel that can be mounted on the wall. This is a frame that is 4 feet by 8 feet, the same as a sheet of plywood, built out of stainless steel, or I'm sorry, galvanized steel commercial studs. And it's just basically a box frame with the U-shaped part of the stud facing inward all the way around. And you have to kind of notch the pieces at the corner to get them to fit together cleanly. Self-tapping metal screws to screw them together at the corners. And then we mount a skin of thin 1/8 inch or 3 mil, whatever it is, plywood on the back with self-tapping metal screws. Just screw that on. That holds the frame square, gives it a back, and then from the front you load in the rock wool bats. We go 4 across, so 1, 2, 3, 4 to fill one of these panels, and then we put in 2 small metal stringers lengthwise down the face of it, just to kind of help hold those bats in. We screw those inside the channel, kind of tuck them inside the metal channel, and screw through it to kind of hold it, and that just helps keep those inside the panel. And then finally, wrap the whole thing with fabric, stretching it around to the back until there's no wrinkles, and stapling it into that thin plywood that's the back. So because it's a wood back, it makes it easy just to staple the fabric on. And you just have to sort out how to fold the corners so you get a nice, neat corner there. These are a little dusty because of some work that was in this room. But these are all panels that were built in that manner. And they're cheap. They cost us about $60 all told for all the materials for one of these. And for a 4 by 8 panel, that's quite good. We find that you need about at least 1/3 of a wall covered before it starts to make a difference. Half is better. So you can hang these on the wall just with little square or little L brackets screwed to the wall along the bottom edge and the top edge that you can then use self-tapping screws to screw into the metal through this fabric. So they're fairly simple to make, fairly simple to hang, and not too expensive.